previous lecture I discussed hash diagram. Today I will discuss what is maximal and minimal element. An element of pose set is called maximal if it is not less than any element of the pose set, or we can say it is the maximum in the pose set, then we will say it is as maximal. So A is maximal in the pose set if there is no B such that B is greater than A. Means A value is maximum, then we can say A as maximal. Similarly, there can be minimal. So an element of pose set is called minimal if it is not greater than any element in the pose set, or we can say it is the minimum in the pose set, then we can say it as minimal. So A is minimal if there is no B such that B less than A. Means A is the minimum, there are no other B which is less than A. And there can be multiple maximal and minimal element. We can easily identify maximal and minimal from the hash diagram. So the top is the maximal and bottom is the minimal. Let's see one example. Example 12. Which element of the pose set 2, 4, 5, 10, 12, 20, 25 and relation is division are maximal and which are minimal? First we need to draw the hash diagram. So starting from 2, 2 is divisible by 4. So 4 will cover 2. Next 5, 5 is not related with 2 and 4, so we'll write 5 separately. Then 10, 10 divisible by 5, so 10 will cover 5. Then 12, 12 is divisible by 4, we'll write 12 above 4, 12 covers 4. Next 20, 20 is divisible by 10 and 20 is divisible by 4. So we'll write 20 here. 20 will be related with 10 and 4. There will be S to 4 and 10. Next 25. 25 is divisible by 5 only. So we'll add an S from 5 to 25. Now this is the hash diagram. Here maximal are 12, 20 and 25. Minimal are 2 and 5. So there can be multiple maximal and multiple minimal. Here maximal are 12, 20, 25. There are no element above it. These elements are in maximum position. There are no elements above it. Nothing cover this. Okay. And minimal means there are no element below it. 2 and 5 are the below element, the minimal element. So there can be multiple maximal and multiple minimal elements, but there can be only one greatest and one least element. So sometimes there is an element in the pose set that is greater than every other element, and such element called as greatest element. So A is the greatest element of the pose set if B is less than equals to A for all B belongs to S. Means for all B that should be less than equals to A. And there can be only unique greatest element if it exists. There may be or may not exist greatest element. If it exists, it should be unique. Like greatest, there can be least element also. An element is called the least element if it is less than all other element in the pose set. That is, A is the least element if A less than equals to B for all B belongs to S. And there can be unique least element if it exists. So greatest element and least element are unique, whereas maximal and minimal element are not unique. There can be multiple maximal and minimal. Let's see one example. Determine whether the pose set represented by each of the hash diagram in figure have a greatest element and least element. We have the hash diagram and we need to find whether there is greatest element and least element are present or not. Now in figure A is the least element but there is no greatest element. B, C, D can be maximal but not greatest. A is the minimal, or we can say least element. So here least element is A and no greatest element. Now in figure B, there are no greatest and no least element. D and E can be maximal, A and B can be minimal, but neither greatest nor the least element. Then in figure C, A, B can be minimal but no least element. Here D is the greatest element. D is the greatest element. Also you can say D is the maximal element, but no least element. So in figure C, there are no least element. Greatest element is D. Maximal element is D, minimal are A and B. Now in figure D, A is the least element, D is the greatest element. So there are both least and greatest element. Also these are maximal and minimal. So maximal is D and minimal is A. I think you guys are clear with greatest element and least element. There can be unique greatest and least element if it present. Next example 14, let S be a set. Determine whether there is a greatest element and a least element in the post set P of S subset. So it is saying in power set, relation is subset, there can be greatest element or least element present or not. So least element will be phi, as phi is subset of every other set, and greatest element will be the set itself. Suppose S contain A, B, then in hash diagram first will be phi, then A, then B, then A, B. So phi will be subset of AB, A and B will be subset of AB. So here greatest element is AB and least element is phi. In today's lecture I discussed what is maximal, minimal, what is greatest and least element. In next lecture I will discuss what is upper bound and what is lower bound. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.